How is your ACT score calculated from sections? Have you ever wondered how your ACT score is determined? Understanding this can help you prepare better and improve your performance. Let's break it down step by step. First, your ACT score starts with counting the number of questions you answer correctly in each section. This count is known as your raw score. It is important to know that there is no penalty for incorrect answers, so only the correct responses matter. The traditional ACT consists of 4 sections: English, Math, Reading, and Science. Each of these sections receives its own scaled score, which ranges from 1 to 36. To convert your raw score into a scaled score, a conversion chart is used. This chart accounts for slight differences in test difficulty across different versions of the test. Now, to calculate your composite ACT score, you take the average of the 4 section scores. You add the 4 scaled scores together and then divide the total by 4. If your result is a fraction of 1/2 or more, it is rounded up to the next whole number. If it is less than 1/2, it is rounded down. Starting in the year 2025, the ACT will introduce a new format that is shorter and digital. In this updated version, the Science section will be optional and will not affect your composite score. Instead, your composite score will be calculated by averaging the scaled scores of the 3 required sections: English, Math, and Reading. If you choose to take the Science section, you will receive a separate Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics score, which averages your math and science scores but does not influence your main composite score. Each section also includes reporting categories that give you a breakdown of your performance in specific skill areas. For example, in the English section, you might see scores related to grammar, while in the Science section, you could see scores related to data representation. These category scores show the number of correct answers and the percentage correct, but they do not affect your overall composite score. Understanding how your ACT score is calculated can help you focus your study efforts on each section. Since your composite score is an average of your section scores, improving in any one area can raise your overall score. Remember, there is no penalty for guessing, so make sure to answer every question, even if you are unsure. In summary, your ACT composite score is the average of your scaled section scores, each based on the number of correct answers converted through a scoring scale. The traditional ACT uses 4 sections, while the enhanced ACT focuses on 3 sections for the composite score, with Science being optional and reported separately. This scoring method ensures fairness across different test versions and helps colleges compare scores consistently.